Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a challenge.
By yourself. You know when it happened when we do a challenge, you know what it is already. The last time you made me do a challenge, you give me them foo-foo thing there. The
cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
Go check that video out.
All
okay.
right.
So as you can see, we have the kitties here.
Woo!
We have Tamia.
Hi, family.
We have Vincent, our TikTok star. All right. Okay, so we have a challenge for you guys. And, well, listen, before we get to the challenge, check out my hair.
Check out not the outfit, check out the hair. Busted.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Okay.
All right. We come for a challenge. Okay, we come
what
for
is
a
this
challenge.
called?
So we have sour pickle balls. And go on, take the wheel, Vincent.
Come on now, don't act nervous now.
Supposedly we're gonna do like a challenge with these to see who can eat them the fastest. There's 2 packets.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. So they are sour. I seen this on TikTok. Okay. I did see it a couple of times on YouTube, but not as much.
Pause it real quick. We don't have to do that no more. We got a good camera now, so you don't have to focus by yourself, okay? So put it in your focus. Continue now, person.
Okay, so these are called sour pickle balls, and as you saw, Tamia was showing you guys, they're extremely
so
sour.
So they say, we don't know yet.
Yes, we've never tried them before, and we have 2 packs each. We don't have to eat both packs unless you want to. There's 4 balls in each of them, and they're pickle balls, so you want to see. We want to see out of us 4 who can eat the most. Okay, and what are we gonna do with the timer situation, Vincent?
So we're gonna have a timer, and then we're gonna just whoever doesn't like finish the packet, or 2 packets or whatever, we'll not stop it, but we will. Mommy's not on the camera, that we're gonna. You can measure it from the camera.
Yeah.
So when you're editing, you can just be like, okay, it's up to 1 minute, 2 minutes. And
Right.
This person stopped at this time. This person finished at that time.
Exactly.
And
So-
we don't have to stop it.
Yeah.
Just let it go on.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is just exactly what he said. Just start the timer, and if Tamia finishes all 4 of her pickle balls, she will say,
You really start this way now.
she's ready.
I came here to win.
They're very competitive.
So basically, we're just doing 1 package, and the fastest in 1 package.
If you want to, you can do more than 1. It's up to you. But we're really gonna try to do 1 because it's sour.
Yeah.
So if Tamia says, "Okay, I finished eating all 4," Vincent would say, "Okay, Tamia finished that this time." If I say I can only eat 2, I'm done.
Yeah.
Then Vincent will look at the time and say, "Well, mommy stopped at this time," and then so on and so on.
And then also, we're challenging people.
Oh,
okay?
yes.
So we've challenged you to who could beat our time, the one that do the fastest time. So look, who I got right now. I got the Young Family Squad. I'm calling out the Young Family Squad. All right. And who are you calling out first?
I'm calling DCNC Family.
Hey.
And also, I'm calling Real Ralph and Meekaboo.
And TMV Nation. All right.
And another one come.
And who else we gonna call out?
Grubs.
Xtina Grubs. All right. And then when y'all do it, y'all could just call out 2 people.
Yes.
All right.
All right.
So let's see now what we gonna do.
All right.
All right. We're gonna. When do we start the timer? Like when we open the package?
No. We don't know. The time will start before we open the package.
Oh, so it starts now, or when we open the
Or
package?
do we take it first and all have
No, we're gonna start the time, then we open the package and
Okay.
do it. Yes, we ain't gotta make it hard.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Start.
Begin.
Oh, this is like
Come on now.
So you pop in your mouth?
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
One,
Just
two,
pop it in your mouth.
Ooh,
That's how they look.
ew, that's nasty.
That's nasty too.
Ew. Yo, where's that thing? That's nasty, B. Excuse me. Oh, that's nasty. But I can't get up. Ew.
That is.
Who's tapping out? Somebody tap out. Come on. Ugh, tell me, it's disgusting. It's foul. Oh. Wow, no fat.
Oh, I'm done.
You done what time? 15 seconds?
A minute.
Okay.
You're gonna make my stomach gurgle.
You done that? Yo, this is nasty, yo. Why you don't get these nasty things, yo?
You're you.
I'm eating and green. Family.
How much did you eat?
What?
How much time?
A minute and 45.
How much
Okay.
you ate? How many you ate today?
Okay, I'm done.
You can't drink it.
You can't drink
Eat
nothing.
another one.
When you done?
I didn't have to eat my food.
When you done, open your mouth.
How much you ate, Mama? I can't. I'm so, wait. Okay, hold up.
Time.
What time is it?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
2 minutes.
All 4?
Yeah. Ooh, this is nasty. Ooh. Mama, you done? You want a napkin? Here.
I only ate one, guys.
Here, here, here.
Sorry.
I couldn't eat it.
That was disgusting.
I was trying to. But my mouth wouldn't let me eat it. My mouth just wouldn't let me eat it. I was trying to. It's so salty.
It's salty, yo.
And then it goes into sour.
Oh my god. I'm about to give these to one of my friends at school.
Right here, try this.
Wow.
Oh, look up this thing.
Damn, Tom, you.
That can make a stomach hurt for real.
I
yo.
know.
Let's
That's why
get
I
some
said-
tea.
I said you could eat 2 and call it.
Oh, we can stop the time. Because yeah, everybody done. Everybody tapped out already.
Yeah.
So I did what, 2 minutes?
Yeah, about 2.
Ew.
I ate about 2.5.
You did better than me. I couldn't even.
Family.
Why? So you only have one left, Mama?
Two.
Two.
Family.
Wait, so all you only have 2.5.
Ugh.
Oops.
Family.
1.5,
That's
1.5.
disgusting. We're not gonna lie. It's salty. It's salty. That's the word. It's so full of salt.
It's salty, and then when you think it's just salty, then the sour hits you.
Yes.
And your mouth is like.
It is not a good feeling.
There's no.
It's not gonna. That's gonna give me a headache, son.
There's no flavor. It's just.
I kind of want to try.
Yo, this would give people instant corona, yo. Shit, yo.
My teeth green, Tom?
Yes.
If I eat
Yeah,
2,
man.
No, all your teeth.
I know, you're-
because you ate all of them. So how the hell you eat all of them like that?
I don't know. I was trying to make some people.
Yo,
eat
I couldn't even
win.
eat it because he was.
Because I wanted to do it. Yo, that's nasty,
It's
though.
nasty. You see how competitive he is, family?
I
He don't
wouldn't-
care.
The thing is, I forgot that was a competition.
Yeah.
So I kind of
Yes. But
all right. So y'all think it's disgusting, huh?
It's disgusting.
see, Tamia and Richie is very competitive. So me and
You
Vincent,
won
we're
this
like,
time.
whatever.
Let's do sports. I'm not doing this.
You won.
So is that bad? You only ate one?
You only ate 1
I only ate one too.
You only ate one too?
Mm-hmm.
I have to eat.
Mama,
You know-
champions.
Ah.
You ain't do nothing. Ew, look,
I got
turn around, look, for real. Look at the
I
inside.
couldn't, no, but you gotta understand, I couldn't eat anymore because every time I tried to chew, I was laughing because Richie next to me was
It
like,
was nasty, yo. Family, you know that's not food. You know it's different to with food, family.
I wanna-
Wow.
well, go ahead, my son.
I know.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be like
Yeah.
Just sour.
candy. Oh, it's sour, yes, but at least have some kind of sweet taste to it.
no.
They don't have nothing sweet to
Nothing
it.
sweet,
They-
nothing
They
sweet.
did say salty. They got cucumbers, water, vinegar, salt. This is disgusting. But
How
yeah,
much sodium is in here?
look in the back. Ew, that shit nasty, yo. I ain't gonna count.
Oh, 20, oh no, 47. So half is, so basically, it's salt.
Salt. Well,
That is not good to eat all 4.
it's not good to eat, but we sent you the challenge, so it's on y'all.
And you can get these on
Yeah,
Amazon.
Amazon, tell them Amazon.
I'm going to go ahead and put
Put in
the
the
link
link.
in the description. So it's very easy.
Yeah.
I didn't even know, and it wasn't
Cool.
it wasn't expensive, and I didn't
Yeah.
even know we was gonna get all these packs. In a way, I'm glad we did, because you guys were able to see the kids. They
Yeah.
come on here. You know, they don't really like to hang out with us that much, so we're shocked that they're here.
Yes, and if you have kids, Bring your kids on with it too.
You can
Yes.
definitely bring your kids
on,
and have this challenge with them, because I mean it's not spicy, so
Yes,
they'll be able to
that's-
handle it.
Yes, that was a good one.
All right, guys.
Do it at your own risk.
Do it at your own risk.
Exactly. Don't say the greedy couple did it. I say you do it. Do it at your own risk, but it's a challenge though.
Well, thank you guys for joining us. We appreciate it, and we appreciate the kids coming on here and doing this challenge with us. And we know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another challenge.
No food, but challenge. No more challenge. Bye.
You're so
That shit.
And he was late in the intro.
Bloopers. Run a blooper.